ladies, as y'all know, Oliver and I recently spent 10 days in England between London and Bath. Of course, I wanted to look effortlessly chic and stylish with minimal fuss and the ability to easily mix and match on the fly. Today, I'm going to show you what I wore over 10 days. Miss Alexis, I know that you and your husband are traveling to London next month, and Miss Amy Bogue, I know that you're in the midst of planning your vacation for next year. Here are my 3 packing guidelines. First, choose a neutral color palette. I chose black, ivory, and various shades of brown. This gives me the ability to pretty much mix and match anything, and it looks amazing. Within that, I packed 6 solid tops, 1 long black open cardigan, 4 solid and 2 patterned pairs of slacks, 4 pairs of shoes, a lug sole loafer, an animal print mule, a chunky sandal, and a heeled sandal. I also packed 3 bags, a tote for traveling, a crossbody for walking around, and a clutch, and a dress for the family reunion that we were going to be having in Bath. The neutral color palette allows me to easily mix and match virtually any pant and top for a different look each day, and it was super easy to pack. 2, anti-boring accessories. I brought a pair of animal print mules and a color block hat in the same neutral tones. These 2 items were key in helping to bump up any look that I had and keep it from being like, ugh, that's so boring. 3, I brought a number of lightweight pullover sweaters because they serve as double duty. Wear them on their own or as a layering piece over your shoulders. Okay, let me show you what I wore. This basic ribbed ivory halter sweater, tan slacks, and my black lug sole loafers, and an ivory tote as the foundation to build 2 more looks. I added this orangey camel sweater over the shoulders, swapped the loafers for animal print mules, and added my black crossbody. This was great for just walking around lightly. Next, I can wear the orange sweater over the halter as a variation, or of course if it gets cold. Keeping the same pant and loafers, I changed the top to a black short sleeve sweater, the orange sweater around the waist, and the color block hat and tote, perfect for walking around. Swap out the loafers with these chic whip stitch sandals, black with a camel whip stitch, for a lighter look, black sunnies, and a crossbody. Keeping the black sweater, I love, love, love these plaid lightweight floaty slacks by Ulla Johnson. So chic and effortless. I added an easy open cardigan sweater in a lightweight cashmere, kept the black loafers. Side note, y'all, changing and modeling, like, it's kind of not my thing. So you'll notice as time goes on, my hair gets more and more frantic. Please excuse the hot mess in advance. Keeping the printed slacks, I love this sleeveless ivory sweater. It's such a relaxed, chic look, and it was not expensive. The sweater I got on Amazon, I want to say I got it for $25. I'll put the links down below in the video description. I kept the ivory tote, and for shoes, these ivory chunky sandals. Obviously, I'm not touring around in these. This was just for an easy, light dinner where I knew we were getting dropped off in front of the restaurant. Keeping the ivory sweater, I love these simple black cotton cropped slacks. I got them from J. Crew. They're not expensive. My whip stitch sandals, and I added a black sweater over the shoulders. Finally, my beloved color block hat that I just got. It's an Eric Javits. I love it. Next, a mid-weight ribbed knit pants, another one of my favorites, which is why I brought them. They're so cozy, but they look chic and they look subtly expensive. They are not. I got them on Amazon for like $45. Brown ribbed knit pant, the orangey camel cashmere polo sweater. I bring it home with the animal print mules and crossbody and a pair of sunnies. These are the exact same pants in black with my tote bodysuit, a black open cardigan, mules so it's not boring. Remove the cardigan. That was the Amazon guy. Remove the cardigan and add a hat. Orange polo sweater, ivory tote. Oh, and also the printed slacks, you guys. I wore this gorgeous lightweight brown pullover with a contrasting border at the neckline, a black sweater over the shoulders, and the crossbody. Next, I brought this day dress by Ulla Johnson in black. It's easy, it's cotton, it's floaty, super cute for day, but it transitions easily into an early casual dinner at night. First, for daytime, I simply wore it with my whip stitch chunky sandals, a color block hat, so darn cute. For an early casual dinner, I swapped out the sandals for the ivory block heel and my ivory tote. I knew we were getting dropped off in front of the restaurant and we weren't going to be walking around otherwise. Obviously, I'm not trouncing around London in a pair of high heels. heels. Finally, for the family reunion, or you can think tea, this would be appropriate for tea, was at the Manor House in Bath, England. That means we need to be a little more conservative and ladylike. This isn't the time to wear your sequin mini dress, right? I chose this simple jade green cotton eyelet midi dress. I wore ivory chunky heels with it because I really try and minimize the number of shoes that I'm bringing, and a simple nude clutch, and that was it. Y'all, not to state the obvious, but I am not the person who's going to tell you how to pack for 10 days in a carry-on or a backpack. That isn't me, and I know my lane. That being said, I do try to pack as efficiently as possible while still having the ability to look cute and stylish on a daily basis. I also make it a point to pack things that are going to be very easy to wear and very easy to dress. That is why I have the neutral palette. It just makes everything super easy. Okay, y'all, that's it. That's what I wore for 10 days in London. If you have any questions, I always love hearing from you. You are why I do what I do. And until next time, happy travels. Bye, y'all.